79 on the Taylor Highway. 25 miles an hour. Soft shoulders on the right. And a 1,000-foot drop. So, go slow and you pray nobody else coming the other way. You can see how high we are on the Taylor Highway. We're heading to Chicken today, just having stayed overnight one night at the Walker Fork BLM campground. Cost us a whopping $6 with my senior pass. Used to be $5, but they went up $1 this year. But Site 19, it was a good site for us, back in, long enough for both the truck and the trailer. And so now we're on our way to Chicken.